Step into the world of convenience with 22 smart gadgets that are revolutionizing the way we live. From the palm of your hand to the comfort of your home, these devices are designed to simplify your life, one tap at a time. Ready to upgrade your daily routine? These smart gadgets are available now and just a click away. Let's get started. 22. Inmo Air2. The Inmo Air2 is a pair of wireless augmented reality AR glasses. It features a 4-core 1.8 GHz Zhuangzhou AI chip, 2 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage. The micro-OLED display offers a resolution of 640 x 400 pixels. These lightweight glasses weigh less than 100 grams and come with touch gestures, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and GPS. While the aesthetics are subjective, the engineering is impressive. The Inmo Air2 is designed for entertainment, virtual assistants, and personal cinema experiences. 21 Aohi. Aohi is an independent brand of Aohi Technology, a company listed under stock code 002993. Their mission is to develop innovative charging devices and provide complementary smart solutions for the charging industry. One of their notable products is the Future Starship, a 40,000 mAh power bank and charging station that can simultaneously charge devices in itself. With its impressive capacity, it can provide up to 7 full charges for an iPhone 14. To charge and explore, Aohi aims to empower the smart world and enhance our digital lives one. 20 Air 28. The Ado Air 28 is a stylish 250W e-bike with an alloy step-through frame. Notable features include a seat post battery, a sophisticated torque sensor, and a carbon belt drive for low-maintenance riding. Its urban design, front fork suspension, and 28-inch tires with puncture protection make it versatile for city commuting and light off-road terrain. 19. Tenon Smart Adjustable Desk. The Tenon Smart Adjustable Desk is a modern, elegant piece of furniture designed to elevate your workspace. With 4 height-adjustable legs, it's ergonomically designed for comfort. The desktop, available in either plywood or solid wood, provides ample workspace for a computer, monitor, and other accessories. The sleek design features independent motorized legs and beveled edges. While the weight limit of 225 pounds is sufficient for most setups, it's not the highest available. Overall, the Tenon combines style, functionality, and smart technology for a seamless home office experience. 18. Prodrive Racing Simulator. The Prodrive Racing Simulator is a stunning blend of art and technology. Crafted by design and engineering house Callum, it's not just a simulator, it's a statement piece. The sculpted carbon monocoque, wrapped in lacquered gloss black, houses the driver's seat, steering wheel, and pedal box. With a 49 inches curved monitor, Bowers & Wilkins headphones, and a powerful Simicube 2 Pro steering motor, it delivers an immersive racing experience. Prodrive's 35 years of racing expertise ensure faithful recreation, making it a must-have for racing enthusiasts and design aficionados alike. 17. Apex Maker X1. The Apex Maker X1 is an industrial-grade 3D printer featuring a massive 16-inch 8K mono LCD screen. With a build volume of 353 x 198 by 400 mm and 46 precision, it delivers stunning detail. Notably, it combines speed, 180 mm per H, with high resolution. The printer includes features like a heated tank, resin fill and reclaim, and a camera for monitoring prints. While documentation is lacking, users have praised its performance and engineering. If you're seeking large-scale, precise 3D printing, the Apex Maker X1 is a compelling choice. 16. Taser 10. The Taser 10 energy weapon is designed to temporarily incapacitate individuals from a safe distance, reducing the risk of serious harm. It transmits electrical pulses to affect the peripheral nervous system, causing involuntary muscle contractions. With a range of up to 45 feet, it's safer and more effective than traditional force methods. The Taser 10 features individually targeted probes, enhancing accuracy and minimizing escalation to lethal force. Its innovative design allows precise probe placement, making apprehension safer for both officers and subjects. 15. Cublock. The Cublock is a modular power strip designed to simplify your charging and connectivity needs. With interchangeable modules, it allows you to customize your setup by adding or rearranging components. The base unit includes sockets, a 45W GAN charger, and a touch-controlled lamp with 3 brightness settings. You can charge various devices, including robots and portable power stations, while benefiting from built-in overload protection. Cublock's innovative design and flexibility make it a convenient solution for managing your electronic devices. 14. EcoFlow Blade. The EcoFlow Blade is a cutting-edge robot lawnmower and sweeper. It stands out for its advanced technology, including a camera and LiDAR sensor for obstacle detection, centimeter-accurate GPS, no boundary wires needed, and omnidirectional wheels for precise maneuvering. This innovative mower streamlines lawn care, making it efficient and hassle-free. 13. Sennheiser HD600. The Sennheiser HD600 is a revered pair of open-back headphones designed for audiophiles, studio professionals, and discerning music enthusiasts. With a legacy spanning decades, these headphones continue to captivate listeners with their exceptional sound quality and comfortable design. The open-back architecture allows for a spacious and natural soundstage, making them ideal for critical listening, mixing, and mastering. 12. Opus Sound Bed. The Opus Sound Bed is a vibroacoustic bed designed for daily self-care. Combining spatial sound and vibration, it helps alleviate stress in as few as 7 minutes. By listening to meditations, music, and frequencies, you can shift how you feel and create a relaxing sanctuary in your bedroom. 11. Eufy Security S230 Smart Lock. The Eufy Security S230 Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi is a cutting-edge door lock designed for convenience, security, and ease of use. With fingerprint recognition, remote control via the Eufy Security app, auto-locking functionality, and multiple access options, including a touchscreen keypad, this smart lock combines modern technology with robust construction. Crafted from sturdy zinc alloy and stainless steel, it withstands over 250,000 lock-unlock cycles. Plus, its weatherproof design ensures protection against rain and snow. Whether you're upgrading home security or seeking hassle-free entry, the UFI S230 Smart Lock delivers peace of mind. 10. Orca Mark 1. The Orca Mark 2 is the world's first true seated electric scooter. With a sleek design, it features a battery level indicator, a charging port on the left side, and 3 speed modes: lowest speed, cruising speed, and insane speed. The anti-theft remote ensures peace of mind, and a built-in USB port allows phone charging. The Mark 1 offers a 6-month limited warranty covering the battery, controller, and motor. It's a convenient and innovative solution for urban mobility. 9. KingSong S16. The KingSong S16 is an impressive electric unicycle designed for urban adventures. Its lightweight build and air suspension ensure a smooth ride, even on rainy days. With integrated trolley handles, it's easy to carry, and the kickstand keeps it secure when parked. Safety features include bright lights and a grippy 16-inch tire. Riders praise its stability, power, and portability, making it a top choice for urban commuting and exploration. 8. SOG Scissors. SOG scissors are a multi-tool accessory, specifically designed for their Power Lock series. Available in satin and black, these scissors provide precise cutting capability for various tasks. Whether you're in the great outdoors or tackling everyday challenges, these compact and versatile scissors are a handy addition to your toolkit. 7. MagMug. MagMug is a magnetic gym caddy designed to keep your essentials off the germ-laden gym floor. With strong, tech-safe magnets, it securely attaches to any metal surface, benches, machines, or stations. The 3 protective compartments hold your phone, keys, and water bottle. It even fits up to 2 cell phones, earbuds, and other small items. Say goodbye to dirty floors and juggling pockets. MagMug keeps you organized during your workouts. 6. Ugot Robotic Kit. The Ugot Robotic Kit is an innovative educational tool that combines artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. With its modular design, high computing power, and built-in algorithms, Ugot offers an engaging way for students to explore advanced AI technology. It recognizes gestures, human postures, faces, and objects, making learning interactive. Additionally, Ugot supports open-source hardware integration, allowing users to create custom robots. Its long battery life and curriculum system enhance the educational experience, making it a versatile choice for AI and robotics enthusiasts. 5. Sharge Disk. The Sharge Disk is a compact M2 NVMe 2230 SSD enclosure with active heat dissipation. It cools down your SSD by 20 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal performance. With up to 2 terabyte storage and speeds of up to 1000 MB per s, it's versatile for various devices: PCs, laptops, iPhone 15 series, cameras, and even handheld consoles like the Steam Deck. Its lightweight design makes it an excellent everyday carry EDC storage solution, and the built-in active cooling fan keeps things impressively quiet during high-speed data transfers. 4. Airwheel. Airwheel is a cutting-edge means of transportation that employs aerospace attitude control theory, fuzzy software algorithms, and a gyroscope system. By leaning forward or backward, riders can control the vehicle to move forward, accelerate, decelerate, or brake. These smart scooters and skateboards have gained popularity globally, serving over 30 million customers in 68 countries. Airwheel's commitment to innovation and intelligent mobility continues to shape the future of personal transportation. 3. Nixie X. The Nixie X is an intriguing electronic device, a modern take on the classic Nixie tube. Unlike typical 7-segment displays, Nixie tubes use bent wire to form the 10 decimal digits inside a sealed glass bulb. When connected to an electronic circuit, they create mesmerizing glowing numbers. Each digit appears in front of or behind the others, adding a unique depth effect. The 3 Nixie X combines nostalgia with contemporary design, making it a captivating choice for retro-style clocks and displays. 2. Wonder Fitter. Wonder Fitter is a smart virtual archery system designed for home use. Created by archery enthusiast Sunkit Sang, it allows you to experience the joy of shooting with real recurve bows and blunt, dry-firing arrows. Whether you're an adult or a kid, Wonder Fitter provides a true-to-life archery experience, enhancing muscle toning and mental focus. Say goodbye to outdoor limitations. Now you can enjoy archery anytime, anywhere. 1 Unitree Pump. Unitree Pump is the world's first all-in-one portable fitness machine with smart resistance control. Unlike traditional fitness equipment, you can easily carry your pump around and anchor it on a door, chair, or even your foot. With Pump, you can start a workout anywhere and at any time. It weighs only 700 grams, making it ultra-portable, and offers a resistance range of 2 to 20 kilograms. The built-in patented motor ensures consistent resistance throughout your exercises, providing a full-body workout experience. The Pump also comes with a smart app that offers professional fitness class guidance, making it a versatile and convenient fitness companion. As we wrap up our journey through the latest in smart technology, remember that these 22 gadgets are just the beginning. With innovation at your fingertips, the future is yours to shape. Embrace the smart revolution and transform your world today. Thanks for watching.